उहाँको बारेमा म एकदमै संक्षिप्त रूपमा म तपाईँहरूसँग राख्नेछु। अनु नैवेद्य राई, अप्पर बुल्टा नाम्ची, साउथ सिक्किमबाट हुनुहुन्छ। एजुकेसनल क्वालिफिकेसन एमएससी इन म्याथमेटिक्स, बिएड एन्ड सिसिएसएलएम। उहाँले एजुकेसनमा एउटा टिचर उहाँले कार्य गरिराख्नु भएको छ। She is one of the member of the mathematics textbook writing team for Government Schools Sikkim Primary Section under SCERT Sikkim. She is a member of the focus group for the development of the state curriculum framework for Sikkim under the Mathematics Education and Conceptual Thinking Group. She received the Commendation Award to Teachers 2021 in recognition of her valuable services towards the promotion of education and student welfare from the government of Sikkim. She was honored with the prestigious state award in recognition of her outstanding service to the community as a teacher of exceptional merit on the occasion of Teachers' Day at Manan Kendra, Gangtok on 5th September 2025. She is authored a book titled Singha Lokan 2021 depicting literary works of the prominent figure Sri Prem Tulum. As a honorary doctorate in the field of education.
उसको नम्बर दिइहाल्छु नि म तपाईँले।